like drying my hair. This is what I do at the end with cold air. Just when you're finished with everything, then some cold air, it really sets your style or whatever. Let's see what we've got here. We've got some packages. Okay, I know what this is. This is from Cult Beauty, and I've just ordered a few of my basics from here. So it should be pretty straightforward, but I will show you. I got the Sunday Riley Brightening Serum, the CEO, because I've been thinking of using some vitamin C on my face. My mom always raves about it. I ran out of the, how do you call it, the jeans one that I was using, and so I got this one instead. It's different, of course, because the other one was an acid, and this is a vitamin C. But we'll see. I want to try it because my skin has been all over the place. Then I got this partly because of the name, Poetry Lotion, and this is 1% retinol. So today's yoga is definitely gonna happen outside. Look at that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Hello, January. Gonna take this to the recycle pile. And I'm gonna get my yoga mat and we're gonna go upstairs. I'm at the airport. I love walking through this corridor because there's usually sun coming through and you feel like you're somewhere else. It's been so long since I took this baby out. I love this bag so much. It's just iconic. I can't believe they discontinued it. This is the trapeze, by the way. I just wear the wings inside sometimes. It doesn't fit very much. It just looks fantastic. And it has the shoulder strap, so you know, you can wear it. Because the other Celine bag that I have, it doesn't have a shoulder strap, which is a bit of a problem. So I am with Kathy Jung, who's my flatmate, and she's going to do these lashes on me. We have all the setup ready here. As you can see, we're very professional, and now we're gonna choose which ones I'm gonna have. This is all her kit. So I have this heated matte thing, which I don't really know how to use, but let's see. Heat plus, I guess. Not sure. Not sure how to use this matte thing. Oh wait. I think this is heating up.
Yeah.
I don't know how to use it, but I just pressed a button.
And it's on?
I don't know. Heating up.
Okay.
So cool. So I've just opened my eyes for the first time, but we're gonna put a few more. But it looks amazing. It looks so pretty and fluffy and sweet. We're done. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Adventures of Barbarella. Today, sweater by Free People, t-shirt by Zoe Carson, which really doesn't go with the sweater at all. Pants by Alexander Wang, these are leather pants. Bag by Celine. And the boots are by Vagabond. I am discovering the most amazing places here in Dalston. For example, I just discovered an optician's and they are so good. If you need glasses and you're in London, come and my man here will set you up. He's old school, he used to work in the 70s with all these cool brands. They're gonna run me over. And I did my vintage glasses that I got from Rodenstock by him. And he was explaining to me everything about the curvature and the kind of frame that I need. So it's really exciting when you find somebody so passionate and so knowledgeable about something. With me it's really tricky because I have so many eye problems. That's why I don't wear glasses more often. I just don't see anything because I can't. The glasses don't really fix it. But anyway, we did what we could. We did the best. So I'm walking along Kingsland High Street. And now we're going towards Haggerston to meet my friend. I'm so bundled up today. It's too much. I'm really warm underneath all these clothes. Realized I don't mind the cold so much anymore. I can wear my wool coats and I'm fine. So I am at my meeting, but I am super early because everything is so far in London, you just never know at what time you're gonna get to places. So I'm already kind of here and there's nothing around. I think there might be a cafe. I'm 20 minutes early and I could tell him that I'm in the area already because he's probably, he's at work, so he'll be there. But I hate doing that to people sometimes when they're expecting you at a time and you just show up really early. I hate it when people do it to me in any case, so I don't know, maybe he would prefer to get rid of me earlier, but I don't wanna be a pain in the ass. He's doing me a favor. So we are going to go to a nice cafe here. Do you know that yesterday morning it was actually snowing? Well, I think I filmed it, so you probably know. You know me better than I know myself. Did I speak too soon? I was pretty sure there was a cafe at the station. But maybe it's on the other side. Oh, should we go to the park? It's like 4 degrees. There's nobody at the park. Creepy. This is pretty creepy. There's nobody anywhere. Okay, I have taken my hair down, which is gonna make everybody want to speak to me, but whatever. Now I look more normal like myself. I always put it up because it's really windy, and then very soon my hair starts looking like shit with the humidity and the rain. I was gonna say, do you know another problem that I find in London a lot is when you're heading somewhere, it takes so long to get to places, basically, that by the time you get somewhere, it's usually at least an hour later. Often you're away the whole day because you're going from one place to another and you don't have time to spend an hour going home and another hour coming back. Shall I show you my eyes? So pretty. My lashes are... Okay, my lashes are falling. My lashes are falling. Yeah, so when you're going somewhere, every time I get to a place, I need to pee, basically. And sometimes I stop myself from drinking, which I should not, because it's really good to drink a lot of water, because I'm out and about and there's literally nowhere to go to the toilet. It's super annoying, and also I don't like to do that to people. You go to a friend's house and by the time you get there you're like, can I use your bathroom right away? Which is kind of, I'm not gonna say I don't mind when people do that to me at all, but it is a little bit like, oh, you just wanna come to use the bathroom. But basically sometimes, yeah, that's the situation, because here half of the Starbucks, half of the cafes, they're so small they don't have a bathroom. So you have to go specifically to a cafe that has a bathroom, pay for a drink. Usually there's a huge queue. It's just too busy everywhere. And so you spend like an hour just to pee. By the time you finish, you need to pee again. So it's just, there's no way around it. And I really am trying to drink more water, because I've noticed ever since I started drinking, I've been drinking a lot. My skin looks so much better. I feel so much more awake. It just, you eat less. You know, a lot of the time your stomach needs water. It just needs hydration. It doesn't really need food. I love my nails, but I think I'm gonna say goodbye to them soon, because I'm starting to rehearse some songs on guitar, which I should have done a long time ago. And I'm thinking, what's the minimum damage that I can do? I can probably get rid of these 4. If I get rid of these 4, then we're good, because I can keep this one, and I can certainly keep my other hand. Okay, so I'm still early, but luckily I am so disorganized. I don't know where I'm going. So I have a few minutes to kill, and in that time I will find the address. So I'm just gonna walk around. I remember how the building looked, so if I walk past it, I will know where I am. It's just I don't have the address written down, because I thought I had it in my messages, but obviously all my messages got deleted since December, so we are gonna wing it. We are gonna be explorers. Also, side story, but I am obsessed with this bag. Fuck, this bag is sexy. I love it. I can't believe it's been discontinued. I mean, this is an icon. This is the 2014 description, and you know, it was kind of the last of the designer bags that were authentically cool, I think, because now I feel like so many bloggers have either bags that have been given to them. You know, now it's all about the influencer lifestyle and thing, and everybody has the same bags. Literally everybody has a Gucci Marmont, the YSL, the college one, and the other one that everybody's wearing. I don't know what's it called, the case, the clutch. Everybody has the Chanel, the medium gold vintage, and the mini gold vintage, and the jumbo gold vintage, and then a couple of seasonal ones, but less, which is why I've started getting seasonal ones, because not everybody has them. That said, I do want a jumbo. And I feel like a lot of these bags that people are wearing are fake, because there's no way. I don't even see the point in everybody having the same 5 bags. So I just left my meeting with my friend and very talented producer. And I have a lot going on and a lot of things to look forward to, so that's good. And I think I'm gonna go now. I'm trying to think whether going to yoga or going to run my errands in central London first and then coming back, because I think it's not time for me to eat yet. And I'm kind of starving. I need something to take my mind off it. So yeah, I'm gonna head south and then we'll see. I was just reading the comments on my last video that I put up, which was a little bit eccentric as I am, but I just wanted to say it's really encouraging when you guys tell me things, and you know, either that you enjoyed it or just make any comments on what I show you.